Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to play the acoustic version of Jessie Reyez' Far Away. The very first thing to keep in mind while playing this song is make sure that your ukulele is in tune, which means G, C, E, and A for standard tuning. There are also a lot of new and unusual chords within this song, and that's why I'm going to hurry up and teach you before we learn the strumming patterns. The very first chord on the list is a D major 7, and it sounds like this. And a D major 7 is where you take your first finger, you bar it over the second fret of your ukulele, and then you take your third finger, and then you'll put it onto the fourth fret of your first string, and then strum. The second chord is a C sharp minor 7, and it's similar to the D major 7, in which you just take your first finger, you're going to bar it across the first fret of your ukulele. I usually take my second finger to kind of support that, and then you take your third finger and you put it onto the second fret of your first string. Now we have the F sharp minor chord. It's fairly simple. It's kind of in the shape of a G7 chord, but you shift it on to where your second finger is on the second fret of your final string. Your first finger is on the first fret of your third string, and your third finger is on the second fret of your second string. F sharp minor. The next chord is A major, and I'm sure you know what an A major is. You just kind of keep the same shape as the F sharp minor, but you just take off your third finger. And the next chord is an A7, where you take your first finger and just put it onto the first fret of your third string. And now that we have all the major chords out of the way, I will now be teaching you the fingerstyle strumming pattern. There is another hand shape with this for the higher end if you have listened to her live acoustic version, but I found that it would be easier to teach you along the way than just initially. So. Now to start off, we will be playing a D major 7 chord. And as I play it, I will be going 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2. So, in order to play it, dun. And then you will be playing the same thing with the C sharp minor 7 chord, excuse me. And then the next chord will be F sharp minor, and while we play this, I will be going 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Then after that, I'm going to slide up, and I will be putting my first finger on the 6th fret of your third string, and then I'll be putting my second finger on the 7th fret of your second string, and my pinky goes on to the 9th fret of your first string. Or to play this hand formation, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to switch. I'm going to take my pinky and I'm going to put it onto the 9th fret of the second string. And I'm going to take my middle finger and I'm going to put it on to the 7th fret of the first string. And then I'll play that pattern again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All together, it will sound like this. 1, you're going to play that essentially again, but instead of going into the higher end part, you're going to switch down here to an A major 7, an A major, excuse me, and an A7, so. So it'll go. Then A major, A7. Now that is the verse and the first chorus of the entire song, and after that we go into a normal strumming pattern, so no need to fret. If you can't play the fingerstyle pattern, you can always just play the strumming pattern I'm about to teach you. So the chords we will be using in this particular pattern will be, of course, D major 7, C sharp minor 7, F sharp minor, A major, and A7. So, pluck. And then you switch to A7 in the middle of this particular one. So. Alright, so that was the end of the song. Shout out to Kay Garcia who asked for this tutorial, and I mean, if you guys have any other suggestions, recommendations, or just want to show your support, just like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.